Hello, South Florida. I'm meteorologist Trent Eric. It's been a wet day at times here, especially during that Canes game out of Hard Rock Stadium here this evening, and we've got yet more wet weather moving in tonight. We'll keep a 50% chance of fast-moving on and off showers with some embedded thunderstorms in the forecast. Heavy rain here around the 8 o'clock hour. South Beach, Wynwood, heading inland now, heading towards the Don Shula and the Turnpike. The rain that brought the wet weather out to Hard Rock is now pushing to the Everglades, and you can see Miami Beach and Wynwood continuing to get wet, and right there is that shot of Lincoln Road Mall. All of this, believe it or not, kind of connected to Hurricane Nicole. Yeah, she's back to a hurricane, 85-mile-per-hour winds, and if you look at the visible satellite image up at top, that's Nicole underneath that. Track that line of clouds all the way across the Atlantic back to the Bahamas, and that's that cold front that's triggering these showers and thunderstorms in the atmosphere as we go through the next couple of days. So rain chance stays at least 50% for the next 24 to 48 hours. We'll bump it back up to 50% by Thursday. Don't forget, anytime you want the forecast, it's always here at Local10.com.